Grade 8 TLE AFA, Term 1, Week 6, Fishing Bait Methods and Post-Harvest Handling Activities. In this lesson, we explore basic fishing bait methods and post-harvest handling activities, a continuation of Week 4, Fishing Gears, and Week 5, Simple Handline Safety. Fishing what you'll learn. Checkmark the difference between traditional and modern fishing techniques. Handline fishing, spearfishing, cast netting, rod and reel fishing, trolling, and fly fishing. Checkmark whether each technique uses natural bait, an artificial lure or fly, either option, or normally no bait. Checkmark how to complete a method bait gear safety matrix. Checkmark why an effective fishing method may still be inappropriate due to law, season, habitat, bycatch, or unsafe practice. Checkmark the basics of post-harvest handling, contamination control, clean handling, prompt chilling, sorting, grading, packing, storing, and transport. Clipboard content standard. The learners demonstrate an understanding of the concepts and skills in fisheries. Clipboard performance standard. The learners perform the skills in fisheries following safety precautions. Bullseye learning competencies. Discuss basic fishing bait methods. Discuss post-harvest handling activities. Right finger next up. Week 7, the actual performance of sorting, grading, and storing fish following safety precautions.